In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate GrabFood and make the most of your ordering experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro at using food delivery apps or trying it for the first time, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure you get delicious meals delivered straight to your doorstep with ease. Let's dive in by heading over to the GrabFood website. If you're unfamiliar with GrabFood, it is an online food delivery service that operates in various countries across Southeast Asia. It connects you with a wide array of restaurants, making it easy to order your favorite meals in just a few clicks. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL bar www.grab.com/food. This will lead you to the GrabFood homepage where you can start your food journey. Once you have the site open, the next step is to head over to the basket icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will allow you to view any items you might have added previously. Even if your basket is currently empty, it acts as a convenient spot where you'll manage your order in just a moment. Next, you'll want to pay attention to the promo code section. This is an invaluable feature for those who love a good deal because it allows you to apply discounts to your order. You can find the promo code option within your basket near where your total payment is displayed. Take a moment to enter any promo codes you might have. These are often distributed through the Grab app, emails, or partnered services, providing you with savings on certain menu items or free delivery. After ensuring you've entered a valid promo code, you'll need to click on the claim button. This step is crucial as it officially applies the discount to your order. Keep in mind that some promo codes may have specific terms and conditions such as minimum order amounts or usage limitations, so make sure to read those beforehand to avoid any hiccups in your ordering process. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully navigated through the GrabFood site, managed your basket and leveraged promo codes to enhance your meal delivery experience. GrabFood is all about convenience and variety, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of food choices without leaving the comfort of your home. Whether you're planning a cozy night in, a family meal, or a quick lunch at work, these steps will ensure that you're ready to take full advantage of what GrabFood has to offer. Enjoy your meal and happy ordering.